So we take a quick little seat tour while we're boarding here. It's not all that different from the 777 version of the Signature Class offering. There's the entertainment screen here. Plenty of room under here. Complimentary bedding. Comforter, mattress pad, pillow that I'm sitting on.
Welcome aboard Air Canada member of Star Alliance. For your safety and comfort, please store heavy items identified with a white tag under the seat in front of you. Other carry-on items might be stored in the overhead
Storage area.
Thank you for helping ensure you travel with safe, comfortable, and on time. On this aircraft, roll glass can be stored vertically rather than flat. Thank you.
Little close hook up there. Armrest. Service, control, comfort, ambiance. That's Air Canada Signature Class aboard the 777. Pretty spacious tray table. There's a little lever under here. Locks it in place. And there we have it.